Alright, picture this. You're at home, relaxing on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and you open up YouTube. Suddenly, bam! You're bombarded with videos about retirement planning, fixing leaky faucets, and wait, is that a sourdough bread recipe? Hold on. Since when did YouTube become the go-to place for people over 40? Isn't this supposed to be the land of Gen Z and millennials doing the latest viral dance challenges? Over the last few years, there's been a massive wave of people in their 40s, 50s, and even 60s joining the platform. But why? Is it boredom, nostalgia, or something deeper? Stick around, because today, we're diving into the real reasons why YouTube has become the unexpected hotspot for the 40-plus crowd. And trust me, by the end, you might just see YouTube in a whole new light. Remember the good old days? You had to be home at a certain time to catch your favorite show, or you'd miss it entirely. And don't even get me started on the commercials. Well, folks, those days are long gone. People over 40 are ditching their cable subscriptions faster than a toupee in a hurricane. And why not? YouTube is like the all-you-can-watch buffet of entertainment, available 24/7 on demand and without those pesky interruptions. Want to watch a documentary about the history of cheese? YouTube's got you covered. Need a good laugh with some classic stand-up comedy? Boom! YouTube to the rescue. See, the beauty of YouTube is control. You're not beholden to some network executive's idea of a schedule. For people over 40, YouTube is a breath of fresh air. They're reclaiming their right to entertainment freedom. Let's face it, as we get older, things start to break down. Our bodies, our cars, our relationships, it's like the universe has it out for us. But fear not, my friends, because YouTube is here to save the day, and your sanity. Got a leaky faucet that's driving you bonkers? There's a YouTube video for that. Need to assemble a piece of furniture that looks like it was designed by Picasso on a bender? YouTube to the rescue. And the best part is, these videos are made by real people, just like you and me. It's like having a personal handyman, tech guru, and life coach all rolled into one, available 24/7. But it goes beyond just fixing things around the house. YouTube has become a lifeline for people who want to learn new skills, improve their existing ones, and generally become more self-sufficient. Whether it's learning how to cook a gourmet meal, master a new language, or even play a musical instrument, YouTube has become the go-to platform for lifelong learning. So, the next time you're faced with a daunting task, don't despair. Just remember the wise words of millions of YouTube creators. Don't worry, I got you. You know that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you think about the good old days? The days of classic cartoons, cheesy sitcoms, and music that didn't make your ears bleed? Well, guess what? YouTube is a veritable time machine, ready to transport you back to your glory days. Remember those Saturday mornings spent glued to the TV watching Looney Tunes or He-Man? Well, fire up YouTube and you can relive those memories anytime you want. And it's not just about childhood memories. YouTube is a treasure trove of historical footage, from newsreels and documentaries to home videos and amateur recordings. But for many people over 40, YouTube's true nostalgic power lies in its ability to reconnect them with their past passions. Remember that band you loved in high school that never quite made it big? Chances are, they're on YouTube. It's a way to rediscover the things that brought you joy in your younger years and share them with a new generation. And in a world that's constantly bombarding us with new trends and fleeting fads, it's a comforting reminder that some things are just timeless. So the next time you're feeling nostalgic, don't fight it. Embrace it. Fire up YouTube and take a trip down memory lane. You might be surprised at what you find. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Certainly not YouTube. In fact, YouTube has become the ultimate learning platform for people over 40 who are eager to expand their horizons and pick up new skills. Remember those adult education classes you always meant to take but never got around to? Well, YouTube is like having a university at your fingertips, with courses on everything from photography and coding to gardening and philosophy. Want to learn how to speak Italian before your trip to Rome? There's a YouTube channel for that. Curious about the intricacies of quantum physics? YouTube's got you covered. Always wanted to learn how to play the guitar like Jimi Hendrix? There's a YouTube tutorial for that, and the best part is, you can learn at your own pace, on your own time, and without the pressure of exams or grades. But it goes beyond just acquiring new skills. YouTube is a platform for personal growth and self-discovery. So the next time you find yourself with a spare hour, don't waste it binge-watching the same old shows. Embrace your inner lifelong learner and fire up YouTube. you might be surprised at what you discover about the world and yourself. You know how everyone's always saying social media is making us more isolated? Well, YouTube is proving that theory wrong, at least for the over 40 crowd. See, YouTube isn't just about watching videos, it's about joining communities. It's about finding your tribe, people who share your passions, your hobbies, and maybe even your sense of humor. Think about it, how often do you get to geek out about your favorite vintage board game with your friends, or have a spirited debate about the best way to restore a classic car? On YouTube, you can find people who not only share those interests but are eager to talk about them day and night. There are entire communities dedicated to everything from gardening and knitting to collecting stamps and building model trains, and within those communities, people are forming friendships, sharing advice, and even collaborating on projects. For people over 40, who may not always have the time or opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals in their offline lives, YouTube provides a vital social outlet. It's a place where you can be yourself, without judgment, and connect with people who get you. So, the next time you hear someone complain about the isolating effects of technology, tell them to check out YouTube. They might just be surprised at the vibrant, supportive communities that are thriving there. So why are people above 40 flooding YouTube? Is it just a phase, or is there something more profound going on here? Well, after taking a deep dive into the world of YouTube, I think it's safe to say that this isn't just a fad. It's better than TV. It fixes their problems. It brings back memories. It teaches new skills. It connects them. In short, YouTube isn't just for kids anymore. It's for anyone who wants to learn, laugh, and live better, no matter their age. Final thought. Maybe the real question isn't why are people over 40 on YouTube, but why aren't you? Smash that like button if you agree. Subscribe for more insights. Comment below, how do you use YouTube?